Alright, what's up YouTube? Muscup here. So today I'm going to do things a little bit different than usual. This might be a happy video or a sad video depending on the results. Hopefully my educated guess is right. So basically I've been looking to Antaeus, and as you know, Chanel is very difficult to figure out when something was made, because they've always used, for the most part, 4-digit batch codes, and they reuse them every 8 years. So sometimes you need the box, or you have to look at the fine detail of the presentation to really try and pinpoint the year of the bottle that you have. And it all started when I got my hands on this here, silver top, silver sprayer. The indent on the cap makes me think that this is probably maybe early 90s, mid 90s, somewhere around there. No batch, because they used to have it in ink, and obviously it's rubbed off, but just gorgeous. Very I get a lot of rose and that Castorium leather in there, but I don't find it a powerhouse. I think it's very subdued, but in a good way, and that's basically a lot of times what Chanel does. Right? And so basically I got a brand new bottle here. All right, the person said it was 2018, but I think it's 2010. Now why is that? If you look on the back here, we have ingredient list, so that's automatically 2004 or newer. That's when the long ingredient lists started to appear on all perfume pretty much. Now, I've noticed two things. One, the barcode is on the back here. And I looked at Raiders of the Lost Scent and a bunch of other bottles, and 2006, 2007, 2008, around those years is when they had these barcodes on the back, because the new modern ones have the barcode on the bottom here. Now, another thing I looked at was the ingredient list. So Antaeus has been reformulated after this. If you notice the barcodes with the barcode on the bottom, you'll see there's like an IL or a number here. I think that's the formula code. I could be wrong. But the new modern ones also have a different ingredient list. I think there's a benzyl salicylate or something like that it's called, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, is on there. And then I've seen 2022 bottles with now another ingredient on there. So it has changed. But just remember, when I say reformulated, that doesn't mean necessarily that that's a bad thing, because sometimes fragrances can be reformulated for the better. New materials get discovered, the perfumer discovers a new blend of notes together to get the older feel of Antaeus from back in the day. So please don't take me saying reformulated as a bad thing. And I'm gonna put up pictures as I'm talking, obviously, of all the reasons why I think that this is a 2010 and not a 2018. But I hope I'm right, because who knows when they stopped doing the whole barcode on the back. All right, so let's do this together. Let's see what happens. I'm kind of nervous right now. And I gotta mow the lawn after this. Oh man, I'm like, you don't even understand. I'm like, my heart's racing for the dumbest shit. Okay. Uh-oh. So this is a good sign because the newer Antaeus modern bottles have all this information etched on the bottom. But as you can see here, it's not. And I think my hypothesis was correct. And it's a silver spray. There we go, baby. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Woo! So, 2010, not 2018. And that's why you can find deals on Antaeus, because it's difficult to figure out what's what. And not everyone is going to know, you know, the information that I just spoke to you about. But see, like I'm shaking now, like I'm so freaking happy that I guessed correctly. Oh my God, yes. Ooh. Spray together, right? Oh yeah, you got those spices at the top. You got the citruses there because it's fresh. And another thing I'm going to be honest about here. This is good, but I like the modern one more. Well, I guess this isn't modern because this is an older one, but I like this more because it works like a coherent fragrance. The older stuff typically goes straight into the dry down, and that's what happens here. It goes right into the dry down. Although it's lovely, I love it, no issues. But this here, you can feel the top, you can feel the fragrance going into the mid, and you can feel it going into the dry down when that kind of that leathery, rosy soapiness starts to come into play. And right now it's bubbling off the skin. Oh man, I am absolutely ecstatic that my hypothesis was correct. Yeah, buddy. Take care, guys.